This is the second part of the chapter, that is life in the tropical and subtropical region. In this part, we will study about Ganga Brahmaputra basin. In the introduction of this chapter, that is in part 1, we have discussed that the subtropical region, which extends from 23.5 degree north to 66.5 degree north in the northern hemisphere, and in southern hemisphere the same, that is 23 degree and half south to 66 degree and half south. There is a Ganga and Brahmaputra river flows through this region. That means in a subtropical region, Ganga and Brahmaputra river flows. They form the Ganga Putra Brahmaputra basin in the Indian subcontinent. So let us study about the location, physical features, climate, and so on. So first is your location. India is known for the largest, fattest, and the most fertile plains like Ganga Brahmaputra basin in the world. This basin is located south of the Himalayas. The extent of its area is from Satluj River to the west to the Brahmaputra River in the east, covering about 2000 kilometers. And the area, the part which it spreads, is Uttarakhand, Haryana, UP, that is Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Assam. The river Ganga originates from Gangotri glaciers in the Himalayas. Now we'll study about the physical features. The plain of the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, the mountain and the foothills of Himalayas, and the Sundarban Delta are the main features of this basin. You must have heard about the Sundarban forest. It has a varied topography due to the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers. These rivers have made natural embankments, floodplains, meanders, and oxbow lakes that dot the plain. This basin also provides the most suitable land and for human settlement as the soil is very fertile. The delta formed by these rivers, that is Sundarban Delta, is the largest and fastest growing delta in the world. What is the climate of this area? The Ganga Brahmaputra basin has tropical monsoon climate. Summers are hot and dry, followed by an extensive monsoon season. The rainy season lasts from June to September. The amount of rainfall decreases from east to west. The coastal plains and the mountain experience pleasant climate. Now we'll study about the plant life. Forests found in this region are tropical deciduous forest. Valuable timber is obtained from trees of sal, teak, peepal, and bamboo. Bamboo tree, you can see over here the picture I have been posted in the screen. Coniferous forests like pine, deodar, and fir are found in state of Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. But due to increase in population, most of these forests have been cleared for agriculture. Animal life. Animals like the unique one horned rhinoceros is found in the Brahmaputra plain. You can see the picture of one horned rhinoceros. Animals such as elephants, tiger, deers, and monkeys, these are commonly found here. Aquatic animals such as your hilsa, rohu, katla, these are the variety of the species of fish which is naturally found over here. And the speciality is in this river of Ganga and Brahmaputra, a species of dolphin called susu, also known as blind dolphin, is found over here. In this region, a blind dolphin is found and it is commonly known as susu, SUSU. You can see the mangrove forest, how dense it is, and you can see the image of a dolphin, a blind dolphin. Life of a people. What is the life of a people over here? Like this region is thickly populated owing to the favorable climatic condition as compared to Amazon basin. This Ganga Brahmaputra basin is thickly populated. Why? Because it has a favorable climatic condition. The soil is fertile, flat lowlands, and availability of water. This region has long cultivation season as compared to the temperature and tropical regions. The main occupation of the people over here is agriculture. Crops such as rice, wheat, maize, pulses, sugarcane, millets, and so on are being grown over here, and tea farming is also being done. And the most important farming which is practiced over here is terrace farming. It is carried out in the hills of Assam and West Bengal because the land is not flat. Mostly tea is grown over here. Silkworms are reared in some part of Bihar, West Bengal, and Assam. You can see the tree garden over here. It has been done like a terrace farming, and this is one of the most common agriculture practice being done over here. Thank you, children. I hope you understood this chapter. Have a good day.